Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kum Shibanta ban ai ka Kyrshan ni ka Jingdawa ka CJP ha Jantar Mantar Delhi ki Paidbah ha Shillong ki layalum ka Jingïakhih ha police point lat umkhra parking lot ban penpau ka dak ka Jingïakhih ha ka Jingïakhih ha kani ka Jingïakhih bajai jai lawan ban Shimbenta de ki spa ngot bakan thopi ki samla pule ki longkme ki longkpa ki khnaret ki bara Ryngkat ki Jingtho ban penrem ya ka Jingkuman ka Sorkar bat bandawa Kyrshan ya u Dharmendra Pradhan u Menteri Katnat Puli Puthi Kari.
And this is in solidarity with the people who were brutally beaten on 20th of July in Delhi. This is just to show them that we stand with them. The entire country stands with them. Each and every corner of the country, they stand with them. If you want to raise slogans, make it very, non-violence. This is a peaceful gathering. You want to sing? You can sing, no problem. Just make sure that we maintain the peacefulness as we have been maintaining throughout. And remember, the primary intention of this gathering is that we are standing with our brothers and sisters who got beaten up brutally on 20th of July. Thank you so much again for coming. You are such an amazing group of people. Thank you.
The ones who have died in the recent people, I am not a meat student. I might not be a meat student. The students have died, and the ministers are not doing anything. The prime minister is not doing anything. The education minister is not doing anything. They have to resign. They have to take accountability. They cannot just look away out of this. They have tweeted stuff about saying that the leaks are like some of the leaks. They stated this morning that the leaks is only some questions, but there are like 120 questions leaked. That is not okay. That was a leak. That is, we are not taking accountability for it. We want accountability. That's all.
My name is Yashraj. I'm a responsible citizen, and this particular peaceful gathering is being organized by parents, students and responsible citizens like us. And this is basically to stand with the students, children who were brutally being beaten on 20th of July. And that is why we just want to show that they are not in this alone. Everyone in this country, including people from Shillong, we are standing with them in this together. That's all. Well, the message to the government is that whatever the protesters are demanding, there should be a dialogue between the government and the protesters and Mr. Sonam Wangchuk, who is on a hunger strike for almost 25 days, and the education minister should definitely resign, because it's high time that somebody should take accountability on this. That is the message to the government from our side.
Okay, this protest is today only.
Only for today. We are not protesters. We are just independent citizens and responsible citizens who were just frustrated because we can't go to Delhi. We just thought that let's do something over here, and that's all.
But we have to news that government will not resign.
I can't say about that. I hope some result comes out because of this agitation, the peaceful gathering, the protest. Somebody should see what's happening in the country.